Hello everybody, tonight I feel to have something. The quarantine. The quarantine, I want everybody to do with me the quarantine. I want to make it quarantine. I want to make Martini Quarantini. And I want to drink a martini tonight. And I got over here ice. I got my shake over here, shaking it bake. I got my pomegranate. I got my limoncello. I was making by myself. It's good I was making, we need it now. And I got my Greek goose vodka. And I got my mist over here. Look how beautiful, you nice, my lord. You need a haircut, but it's okay. Okay, now let's start. Do like this. And I want to start to put the ice. Oh, good. And I got my vodka. Hey, come on, vodka. Oh, come on. You want to open? Yeah. Hey. Okay, we put one shot. One. Good. Now we got my limoncello.
Nancy, she's a nice surprise.
I got a limoncello limone. One. And two. Limoncello we take out over here. Now we got a pomegranata. La granata. Okay, we got it. One, two, three, e I put four. And this now we gotta shake really good. It gotta be nice, cold. Okay. Ehi compare, che sai suonare un quarantine, e come si suona un quarantine, poi è un martini, quarantini, parapapunzi punzi pera, parapapunzi punzi pa, la la, tuzze fritte e baccalà. Okay, now.
No, it's not apple juice, it's pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Now, I gotta get my glass. I put in the freezer. I want a nice cold. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh. Okay, now. This is for you, Eva.
Thanks.
And this is for me. Come on, everybody. Drink for me. And let's say salute e cincine to everybody. And let's keep away this corona thing. Quarantine. Stay nice and let's drink my martini together. Salute e cincine to everybody. A salute.
Delish.
It's
Wow.
really good. Okay, it was a short video.
Giuseppe, ask what are you making?
Martini. Martini. This is Quarantini Martini. That's what I call it. It's my name. I give this name, Quarantini Martini. And I want everybody to drink with me. Come on, again. A salute. Cin cin alla santé.
Billy says salute.
Salute, Bill. This is for you. Martini. A salute, chin chin. Okay, I want to say thank you very much. I hope everybody good, and we see next time. It was a short video to say hello to everybody with a salmon drink. Thank you, and we see it again. Thank you very much.